Hello! Are you looking to be an expert in Capa system and work as a Capa engineer in pharmaceutical and medical device industry? If so, you have come to the right place. Our course offers everything you need to know about Capa system and how to create a Capa file from scratch. But that's not all. Our course goes beyond just Capa system and also covers various continuous improvement tools such as DMAIC, PDCA cycle, and 8D methodology. You'll also learn how to create root cause analysis tools such as Ishikawa or fishbone chart, 5 whys, fault tree analysis, process maps, Pareto chart, and much more. Our focus on this course is to teach you the skills required to manage Capa and Six Sigma quality systems like a pro, which means you'll also learn how different Six Sigma tools connect to the Capa system. This online course is perfect for a professional looking to get into pharma or medical device industry, or those wanting to be promoted to become a Capa engineer or a Capa manager. In just 3 hours, you'll be an expert in Capa system and will know how to create an entire Capa file from scratch. You'll also know how to differentiate between Capa and non-conformance and understand when to use one versus the other based on the level of risk on each failure processes. At the end of this course, you'll be equipped with the skills required to manage Capa and Six Sigma quality systems like a pro in your organization. And the best part, buying this course grants you a lifetime access to the material, so you can revisit any of these sections at any time. So what are you waiting for? Enroll in our course today and become an expert in Capa system. I'll see you in the class.